All right, question 1d from the NCEA 2 2018 Algebra exam. So we've got this one here, which is a little bit of a conundrum when you look at it, but really this is very similar to when we do factorization, and we do it through what we call decomposition or splitting the x value. So when you've got an expression such as, say, a quadratic with an a value of greater than 1, you would split the x value, or you would do it by decomposition perhaps. Now when you do that, you end up with exactly this type of scenario where you've got two halves of equations, two halves. Here are my two halves, and we're going to factorize each one, and then we're going to see what's common to both. So let's factorize this first bit, and let's do it in terms of something that's common. Well, what's common here is I've got x's, and I've got the common thing would be a 2x would be common, so I'm going to say equals 2x. Then I'm going to put my brackets in. I've got a plus in the middle, and I'm going to say what times 2x makes 4bx, and the answer would be 2b. Then I'm going to say what times 2x makes 2xy, and the answer would be y. Then the next one. Now the next one, what we want to do is, if we can, is we want the same thing here. In other words, we want a 2b and we want a y. Can we do that? So we want something times 2b that makes 6ab. Well, the answer to that would be, it would be minus 3a. There it is. 3a times 2b makes negative 6ab, and that would be correct. Now the same must be true here as well then. Negative 3a times y makes negative 3ay, correct. So now, that's an a by the way. Now we've got our answer. So notice we've got something common to both, so that's the first thing. 2b plus y is common to both, so that is a factor. So I'm going to put 2b plus y. And as the thing that is common to both of those is this thing and this thing, which is our second factor. That's meant to be a bracket, by the way, which is 2x minus 3a. And that is our factorization. Hopefully that makes sense.